Module 1. Fundamentals of Automotive Repair Lesson 1-4. Introduction to Automotive Repair. Hello friends, welcome to the first module and today's lesson on the Introduction to Automotive Repair. In this lecture, we will explore the automotive industry, discuss essential safety procedures and protocols, and learn about the tools used in automotive repair. This course is designed to provide an overview for those new to the field or looking to enhance their knowledge in automotive repair. Overview of the automotive industry. The automotive industry is a vast and complex global sector that includes manufacturers, suppliers, dealerships, and service providers. As of 2023, it continues to be a significant contributor to the global economy, responsible for millions of jobs worldwide. The industry's primary focus is vehicle production, which encompasses cars, trucks, and motorcycles. The evolution of technology has introduced electric and autonomous vehicles, reshaping how businesses operate and meet consumer demands. Key segments of the automotive industry. Manufacturing includes design, development, and production of vehicles. Suppliers provide parts and components to manufacturers. Dealerships facilitate the sale of vehicles to consumers. Service and repair focuses on maintaining and repairing vehicles. The service and repair segment is particularly crucial as it ensures the safety and longevity of vehicles. As technology evolves, so do the techniques and tools used in automotive repair, necessitating continuous learning and adaptation. Safety procedures and protocols. Safety is paramount in automotive repair. Adhering to procedures and protocols not only protects you but also ensures efficient and effective repairs. Here are some essential safety guidelines. Personal protective equipment (PPE). Always wear appropriate PPE, including gloves, safety glasses, and steel-toed boots to protect against injuries. Workspace organization. Keep your workspace clean and organized to prevent accidents and make tools easily accessible. Proper lifting techniques. Use the correct lifting techniques to prevent back injuries. Lift with your legs, not your back, and ask for help if needed. Fire safety. Be aware of fire hazards and have fire extinguishers readily available. Know the location of emergency exits. Chemical awareness. Handle chemicals safely by following material safety data sheets (MSDS) and using proper ventilation. Electrical safety. Disconnect battery terminals before performing electrical work on vehicles to avoid shocks or short circuits. Tool safety. Use tools correctly and ensure they are well maintained. Never bypass safety features. Following these protocols will help create a safe working environment for yourself and others in your vicinity. Tool identification and usage. Essential tools in the automotive repair range from basic hand tools to advanced diagnostic equipment. Understanding their identification and usage is crucial for carrying out effective repairs. Here's a summary of auto tool identification and usage. Hand tools. 1. Pliers, used for gripping and bending objects. 2. Wrenches, used for tightening and loosening bolts and nuts. 3. Sockets, used for working with bolts and nuts in confined spaces. 4. Screwdrivers, used for driving screws and other fasteners. 5. Hammers, used for tapping, shaping, and breaking apart objects. 2. Power tools. 1. Drill press, used for drilling precise holes in metal and wood. 2. Impact wrench, used for loosening stuck or over-torqued bolts and nuts. 3. Air ratchet, used for tightening and loosening bolts and nuts in confined spaces. 4. Grinder, used for grinding and cutting metal and other materials. 5. Sandpaper, used for smoothing and polishing surfaces. 3. Specialized tools. 1. OBD scanner, used for diagnosing and troubleshooting vehicle computer systems. 2. Multimeter, used for measuring electrical voltage, current, and resistance. 3. Air compressor, used for powering pneumatic tools and inflating tires. 4. Hydraulic press, used for pressing and shaping metal and other materials. 5. Wheel chocks, used for securing vehicles during maintenance and repair. 4. Tool safety and maintenance. 1. Tool inspection. Regularly inspect tools for damage and wear. 2. Tool storage. Store tools in a clean, dry, and secure location. 3. Tool maintenance. Regularly maintain tools to ensure proper function. 4. Personal protective equipment. Wear PPE when using tools to prevent injury. 5. Tool safety training. Receive training on proper tool usage and safety procedures. Common hand tools, wrenches, used for loosening or tightening bolts and nuts. Types include open-end, box-end, and adjustable wrenches. Screwdrivers. Available in various types such as flathead and Phillips. Used for driving screws. Pliers. Grip and hold objects. Variants include needle nose, slip joint, and locking pliers. Hammers, used for striking tools or parts. A ball-peen hammer is common in auto repair. Sockets and ratchets, essential for removing bolts and nuts of various sizes. Advanced tools and equipment, diagnostic scanners, used to read and clear error codes from a vehicle's onboard computer. Hydraulic jacks help lift vehicles safely for inspections and repairs. Air compressors and pneumatic tools provide efficient power for tasks like tire inflation and tightening bolts. Multimeters measure voltage, current, and resistance in automotive electrical systems. Using the right tool for the job not only makes the task easier, but also prevents potential damage to components or injury to the technician. As you venture into automotive repair, remember that the industry is ever-changing. Stay updated with new technologies and techniques to enhance your skills and ensure the best service for customers. Whether you're performing routine maintenance or troubleshooting complex issues, a solid understanding of industry operations, safety precautions, and tool usage is vital for success. Here's a summary on Introduction to Automotive Repair. Overview. Automotive repair involves diagnosing and fixing problems with vehicles. It requires a combination of technical knowledge, mechanical skills, and problem-solving abilities. Key concepts. 1. Vehicle systems, understanding the different systems of a vehicle, including engine, transmission, brakes, suspension, and electrical. 2. Tools and equipment, familiarity with common tools and equipment used in automotive repair, such as wrenches, sockets, and diagnostic scanners. 3. Diagnostic techniques, learning how to diagnose problems using techniques such as visual inspection, testing, and troubleshooting. 4. Repair procedures, understanding the steps involved in common repair procedures such as oil changes, tire replacement, and brake pad replacement. Safety precautions. 1. Personal protective equipment, wearing protective gear such as gloves, safety glasses, and a face mask. 2. Vehicle support, ensuring the vehicle is properly supported using jack stands and wheel chocks. 3. Electrical safety, avoiding electrical shock by disconnecting batteries and using insulated tools. 4. Chemical safety, handling chemicals such as fuels, oils, and cleaning agents safely. Career opportunities. 1. Automotive technician, working as a technician in a dealership, repair shop, or independent garage. 2. Service advisor, advising customers on repairs and maintenance in a dealership or repair shop. 3. Shop manager, managing a team of technicians and overseeing shop operations. 4. Automotive engineer, designing and developing new vehicles and components. Here's a summary of the overview of the automotive industry. Industry definition. The automotive industry is a global sector that designs, develops, manufactures, markets, and sells vehicles. Industry structure. 1. Original equipment manufacturers OEMs, companies that design and manufacture vehicles such as Toyota, Ford, and Volkswagen. 2. Suppliers, companies that provide components and parts to OEMs such as tires, batteries, and electronics. 3. Dealerships, companies that sell new and used vehicles to consumers. 4. Aftermarket, companies that provide repair and maintenance services as well as replacement parts.
Auto trends and challenges. 1. Electrification. Shift towards electric vehicles, EVs, and hybrid vehicles. 2. Autonomous vehicles, development of self-driving vehicles. 3. Connectivity, integration of vehicles with the internet and other devices. 4. Sustainability, focus on reducing emissions and environmental impact. 5. Globalization, increasing competition from emerging markets. Key statistics. 1. Global sales, over 90 million vehicles sold annually. 2. Employment, millions of people employed directly and indirectly in the industry. 3. Revenue, trillions of dollars in annual revenue. Future outlook. 1. Continued electrification, is expected to become increasingly popular. 2. Increased autonomy, autonomous vehicles expected to become more common. 3. Growing demand, emerging markets expected to drive growth. 4. Sustainability focus, industry expected to prioritize sustainability and environmental responsibility. Here's a summary of safety procedures and protocols. Personal protective equipment PPE. 1. Hard hats, wear hard hats to protect against falling objects. 2. Safety glasses, wear safety glasses to protect against eye hazards. 3. Earplugs, wear earplugs to protect against loud noises. 4. Gloves, wear gloves to protect against cuts, abrasions, and chemicals. 5. Steel-toed boots, wear steel-toed boots to protect against foot injuries. 2. Workplace safety. 1. Hazard identification, identify potential hazards in the workplace. 2. Risk assessment, assess the risk level of each hazard. 3. Control measures, implement control measures to mitigate hazards. 4. Emergency procedures, establish emergency procedures for fires, spills, and injuries. 3. Equipment safety. 1. Pre-operational checks, conduct pre-operational checks on equipment. 2. Regular maintenance, perform regular maintenance on equipment. 3. Lockout, tagout, follow lockout, tagout procedures to prevent equipment startup. 4. Operator training, provide operator training on equipment use and safety. 4. Fire safety. 1. Fire extinguishers, ensure fire extinguishers are accessible and inspected regularly. 2. Fire drills, conduct regular fire drills. 3. Flammable materials, store flammable materials in designated areas. 4. Electrical safety, ensure electrical equipment is installed and maintained properly. Emergency response. 1. Emergency response plan, develop and implement an emergency response plan. 2. First aid, provide first aid training to employees. 3. Injury reporting, establish a system for reporting injuries. 4. Incident investigation, conduct incident investigations to identify root causes. Training and awareness. 1. Safety training, provide regular safety training to employees. 2. Safety awareness, promote safety awareness through posters, signage, and campaigns. 3. Safety meetings, hold regular safety meetings to discuss safety topics. 4. Safety incentives, implement safety incentives to encourage safe behavior. In conclusion, Introduction to Automotive Repair provides a foundation for understanding the principles and practices of automotive repair. It's a crucial step for those interested in pursuing a career in the automotive industry. Thank you for participating in today's lesson on the Introduction to Automotive Repair. See you in Lesson 2. Happy learning, folks!